Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today is not a regular episode of My PI Dream here today, but we just want to celebrate a special event that is being celebrated around the world. Today, specifically in the U.S., is a graduation, basically a virtual graduation for the class of 2020.
Yes.
Now, it's not just the U.S. that has graduating students. We have graduating students from around the world, including here inside the Philippines. There are those of you who have gone through this struggling time and you continue to maintain all the correct attitudes and everything that you need to be able to go on to that next step. So Ness and I would like to applaud each and every one of you for that exceptional effort that you've been putting forth to get to that next step. Something that I would like to do, like many of the people going to commencement ceremonies do, is basically just make a recommendation. And of course, you know, I always have some kind of recommendation, something I like to give a little bit of input, whether it be working inside the yard, building a house, exploring here in the Philippines. And for those of you, for the class of 2020, what I would like to pass on to you is everybody can be successful with some of the elements that we talk about here on our channel. And the three things that make you successful, that we believe makes you successful, are things that you're taught inside your school from your teachers. And that's having a goal, setting a goal, making a plan, and then executing that plan to its fullest extent. That's what we want to pass on to you. And I also would like to applaud all of the teachers who made your success to get you to the point that you're at right now. And I want to applaud my wife here because she is also a teacher. I don't know if many of you know that she is also a teacher too. And it takes a lot of patience and perseverance for teachers like Ness and all those teachers that change the way your children think so that they become better and become successful in today's society. And now to the class of 2020, Ness and I would like to wish you a happy graduation.
Happy graduation, and we wish you success in all your endeavors.
Absolutely. Congratulations, guys. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.